Oh my gosh, it was awesome. You got kids involved, you talked about writing, so you brought out the information that kids need to have to become writers, you inspired them, and they participated. It was full of magic.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think they're ready. Take it away.
We're gonna make up a story.
It's so easy to do. We love to do it, and so will you. To make this creation, use your imagination. And remember, every story has a beginning, a middle, and an end.
It's wonderful when we can bring reading to life and bring a story to life. And your show truly captured that moment for all of our students. It tied into what they were learning in the classrooms, and it just extended their learning and created reading adventures here in our school. So we can't thank you enough for coming out to our school today.
It's fantastic. We love the show. Every single year, it's like, we just love the show. The kids are hyped up. Everything's just wonderful.
Because in the Page Turner adventure, you are the hero of the story, so today we're going to need your help. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Imagine this.
I thought the show was fantastic, the way that you guys reach the kids. They have to find the things for you and with you in the story, so I think it does such a great job of getting them involved in the storytelling themselves.
He could jump and get it.
Everyone just leap right where you are. You ready? Leap! Leap again!
The amount of laughter that was in the auditorium filled the room. Every child was engaged, they were paying attention. The stories, the action, every minute was a different piece of energy, and it was something that we will look forward to for probably, hopefully, every school year to come.
I'm so happy to see you. So happy to see you. My name is Leonardo. Leonardo the Munchie. What are you
gonna love it. You're gonna, trust me, you're gonna love it.
That is the end.
Are touching on so many teaching points that happen within the classroom.
I've had a lot of shows come here, but nothing as great as this.
We've been doing a unit of inquiry into stories, so for the children to kind of not only see how stories can develop, but also to be a part of those stories and to be storytellers themselves was exactly what we've been hoping for.
The Page Turner show was fantastic. Our students absolutely loved it.
Book these guys because they are fantastic. You will not regret it.
Principals, this is something you need to see, that your kids need to have and benefit from. So it is fantastic. Page Turner Adventures. Feel the magic.
Page Turner, the story.